Hello and welcome to another episode of Know It All Haven. I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of a material you probably use every day, maybe without even noticing: silicone. You'll find it in your kitchen, your bathroom, in hospital equipment, and even hidden inside your computer. But what exactly is silicone made from, and why is it so useful? Let's break it down together. First, what is silicone? If you're thinking of the stuff used to seal your bathtub or windows, you're on the right track. But silicone, spelled with an E at the end, refers to a broad group of synthetic polymers made from the element silicon, combined with oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. These unique combinations give silicone its legendary flexibility, resilience, and resistance to just about everything. But where does it all begin? It starts with a mineral that's very familiar: sand, or more precisely, quartz sand. The primary ingredient in silicone is silicon, one of Earth's most abundant elements. In nature, silicon mostly appears as silicon dioxide, also known as silica, which is the stuff that makes sand and rocks hard. To extract pure silicon, manufacturers heat quartz sand to extremely high temperatures, sometimes above 2,000 degrees Celsius. The result is pure, glittering silicon, ready for a chemical makeover. But turning that silicon into silicone isn't as simple as just melting it. Next comes a series of precision chemical reactions. First, the pure silicon is combined with chlorine and methane in a chemical dance that produces special compounds called chlorosilanes. Two important examples are dichlorosilane and trichlorosilane. These are the building blocks that will soon become silicone. Now, this is where the real magic happens. By mixing these chlorosilanes with water, a process called hydrolysis occurs. This reaction forms silanols, which then link together to form long chains known as polysiloxanes. These super strong and flexible chains are the backbone of all silicone materials. Depending on how these molecules are linked and what other elements are added during the process, the final product can be a flowing liquid, a squishy gel, a flexible rubber, or a hard, glassy resin. So, what makes silicone so versatile? The answer lies in its extras. Other elements like carbon and hydrogen are carefully blended in, which lets scientists fine-tune the material's properties, making it heat-resistant, super elastic, or even totally waterproof. Engineers can even add colors, protectants, or hardeners to create the perfect silicone for any job. Once the chemistry is done, silicone can be shaped in almost any way you like, poured into molds, extruded into long cables, or stamped into molds for kitchen gadgets. The final step is usually curing, or vulcanization. That means heating it, or using special chemicals to make sure the silicone stays strong and flexible for years to come. So, what are the superpowers of silicone? Here are a few. Silicone can handle extreme temperatures, from freezing cold to scorching hot, without melting, cracking, or losing shape. We're talking negative 60 degrees Celsius to well over 250 degrees Celsius. It's biocompatible, meaning it's safe to use in medical devices, implants, even contact lenses. It doesn't irritate or react with your body. Silicone is amazingly resistant to sunlight, rain, and UV radiation. It won't crack, yellow, or turn brittle after years in the weather. It's totally waterproof and keeps out gases, making it the perfect sealant for buildings, aquariums, and electronics. And in the kitchen, silicone molds and utensils are safe for food, heat-proof, and super easy to clean. To sum it all up, silicone starts as quartz sand, goes through a high-tech chemical transformation, and ends up as one of the most useful and adaptable materials on the planet. Its mix of elements and clever engineering make it a superstar in everything from medicine to modern cuisine. The next time you spot a shiny spatula, a snug seal on your window, or a piece of medical equipment, think of the journey from humble sand to high-tech silicone. If you enjoyed learning about the science behind everyday materials, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All Haven. We've got plenty more wonders to unpack together. See you next time.